Hey, what's up, team? My name's Corey. Diane told me to send out this screencast to y'all. Anyway, I'm just going to shoot over three free tips on how to get some more traffic to your website and really bring in that quality work as well. So the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I'm just going to browse over your website real quick for a second. I like your coupons here. I would actually bring those up to the very top, let people see that. It's kind of helps with that call out and helps navigate people where to go as well. Um, and really, the first thing I actually want to go over is content. Really bring your content count up to about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need a lot more content in there so that way we can layer in those keywords, words what you're actually trying to be found for. Even these images, these are all content back there, what they're saved as. You can actually put buyer's intent keywords back there. That's just going to help with your rankings even more. If I go inside of Google here and actually type in air conditioning repair Cape Coral FL, this is what you're going to see. These Google guarantees are actually brand new to Google. They came up with these because these old school ads became very spammy, so a lot of people are going away with those ads, and so they came up with these Google guarantees to help block out some of those ads. They're still pretty pricey. You know, I've seen ads anywhere, whichever one you're going with. I don't know if you are running ads. I'll see here in a minute, but I've seen ads anywhere from $30 to $140 a piece, and you know they do get pretty pricey, especially if people click on them or accidentally click on them. They do get pretty pricey at the end of the day. Underneath this little ad section, we have the map here. This map, how to get the rankings here is going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is just it's a business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what we want to do is come in here and find those your top competitors, get all those citations they have. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath the map section is going to be dealing with all that organic traffic. This is the first page of Google, and really to get there is going to come down with that authoric content, what you do, how you do it, being found for them keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks actually created equal. If I take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So it looks like you got this thing started back in 2013, and historically you've had over 5,000 different backlinks. You got 207 referring domains, which is pushing back 921 backlinks right now. So you got 392 keywords you're being found for. The PPC stands for pay-per-click, so it doesn't look like you're doing any ads. I don't know if you're doing TV, radio, any other ads like that. I know that those get pretty pricey as well. But anyway, you're getting 69 clicks to your website every month. Coming into these keywords, we can actually see where there's 69 clicks are actually coming from. We got your name right here. AC Repair Fort Myers. There's a keyword right there. And there's 100 clicks for that keyword, and you're getting 14 clicks because you're third position. But coming through here, HVAC hack jobs, thermoelectric wine cooler problems, air conditioning repair, Fort Myers FL. There's another keyword there. 100 clicks every month for that one keyword. You're 17th position, so you're missing the traffic. You got your name more. AC service Fort Myers, 20th position, missing all the traffic. There's another 100 clicks. Air conditioning repair Fort Myers, 70 clicks, missing all the traffic. You're a 24th position. Fort Myers Air Conditioning Companies, another 80 clicks, missing all the traffic. Anyway, so you're missing all the traffic on all these good keywords. That's going to bring that quality of traffic to you. Now, if I come into, this is Sunset Air. I'm going to stick them inside of Ahrefs real quick. They got 112 referring domains, pushing back 503 backlinks. Like I said, not all backlinks actually created equal. They got 842 keywords they're being found for, and which is pushing back 504 clicks to their site every month. Coming in and seeing what they're actually ranking for, you can see their position that they're actually in for each keyword, the amount of clicks per keyword, and also the amount of clicks to their website for each keyword as well, if that made sense. So kind of give an example here. AC Repair Fort Myers, 100 clicks for that one keyword. They're getting 44 clicks, so they're getting 44% from that one keyword while they're in that first position there. So really making sure you're coming through and finding all these keywords that are actually going to bring that quality work for you, and also making sure you have enough power to get you there on that first page, as well is really crucial. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I'd love to put a free custom game plan to help you get there, or just give me a review on how I did on this video, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thank you.